Salute brunch. More on the Rebel Salute brunch in a June or July. Cause more go it by them time there.
Okay.
I try to get all of them things they done and then me leave.
Respect for your lives, like I say. If I
Alright,
ever
so
name like
alright
like
then.
I say.
That's all that me have enough time to see you before you left then.
I mean, I might go in Jamaica, Rebel Salute are keeping in Florida.
Yeah man, you don't mind that.
September,
As
so
long
I
as me have the whole of
go
April.
and come back, but me I go there most of the time.
As long as me have the whole of April, you got sick of me.
Leprosy, big up yourself. Just come on me, event them too.
Yeah man, of course. So me can't want to look certain things and look on my
Oh, you
Nah,
have
yeah,
someone who stay saying that in
I'm
the
gonna
talk
take
about
it
why you
for.
nobody like me because you
But
don't
you know what I
support
like.
anything that I'm doing. What's the point of having a man and fuck up my all and then when me in a major setting just don't fuck up a show?
Him can't do it.
You're not dead.
I can't,
That's true.
that
Know
are true.
yourself. Know yourself. Me
Me
borrow.
feel,
Me borrow
some
follow
feel to
through, you know.
still car.
Because guess what? If anybody if it in the show I give him forward, you see you pussy when in my hole, I you for there I make him most nice, junk. You will have
I
your
know like.
own short
I'm not
back.
lie.
I
Alright.
you
Catch it. We might not catch it.
you might not get it. Cause it might not be a loud part.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it is a loud part.
But
Is
boy,
it?
No, they
let's
probably
go. Alright,
stink.
let me tell you when me can only thing when me can hope.
You don't know say
Why?
the silent one them deadly man, the
I
loud
know
one them.
like.
Tell you, man.
I only thing me can hope. I say while when it happen, me have up on a backers or something, and it does trick me say I did boom boom do it.
Me would have hoped them gonna have
Eh,
our pan now backers.
Yeah, easy that. When they
Me
sharp
would
man
have
say something
hoped
going
say it's not
kill
a
me.
backers.
Sharp man tell her where you tell me, you know.
I'm gonna tell you again. But
want me for just asleep and mama just a fart so.
Oh my God.
Bust all big fart
But
in
I
our
have to tell her, but I
uh,
ask her if she want to use the bathroom.
Ah,
Say, babe, she want to use the bathroom? Come, we carry her go to the bathroom.
oh my god.
Sharp man, tell her where you tell me the sharp man.
me no
Sharp,
remember me tell you, bro. Whole heap of thing
so,
me tell you, you know.
so,
So suppose
sharp.
she start use the bathroom and you start hear the bathroom start bum up.
She good man. She there
She
which
good
part she
man, she there where
supposed to
she
there.
supposed to there. Alright. So easy though,
How me tell you?
sharp man. But when you ask me which position I'm a favorite for fuck girl, I'm gonna say backers. The man said, no, I actually hate
Oh,
backers.
oh.
Why?
Eh?
Why eat buckers?
Cause I'm not like look for a little anus part some of the time, you see me? And instead
Like
time I fuck a girl from the backers and I look down. It's like a little bottle just I look for
You
and make it
know,
feel
say,
awkward, you see me?
no, me not, you know, say, a lie, man,
as a you are rich you know. You are real bum buckler. You real.
No joke
Now you
never, you
are
know.
going now. Y'all have some money now. They might give you the buckers. See them here tear out your body.
You
See
see
them
me?
here tear out your body, cheat them like in your body what them want look like.
I'm telling
Me
you,
I like them some of them.
I
some
know some
people
man
will.
will tell me
Me
say them
fuck up
finger, but I don't
on
trust
backers
them.
still, you know. But
But them say them
depends.
finger battery.
You have some girl when you set them from backers it not really show, you know.
Yeah, yeah,
You see
Right.
me? But then you have some girl and you set them from backers are like a it highlight.
yeah.
I don't like
Like
that.
Mike, like Mike,
I
like
like
Mike.
set up on your back, I
The
looking at
guy
your
got from
face,
backers.
I look on your
You
two
can't.
stiff to them, I look at your pum pum fat, them thing that make my cocky feel
The
good.
I
man
see.
He's a
said.
visual
The
person.
man
It's like my mom's there. It's like my mom's there already. Her body big. She's slim.
Mm.
My mom's she's slim and her body big. It's like you can't see the little part there. But then me's a boy, my very tune out. I not really tune look on things like that. Like
Mm.
It
my
depends.
blind.
You know,
I
sister, when
never
the man
used to
a fuck.
meds it first,
You
you
know,
know.
sister, when the man a fuck, right? The
Mm-hmm.
man a look on the woman, the man a look on you. You
Yeah,
someone,
yeah.
yo, you used to fuck a man and say, saying that, man. Him just want
Them
looking
just
at
look.
my face. All him there on a back as the man a turn my face. Man, me there looking at my
Probably
face.
five. I don't remember
Right
now.
through.
Either the same four
Face
or
kind of
four and a
face,
half or
looking at
five.
face.
They say one woman tell him say when she have sex, him have to push one finger in her asshole. And when him say
No,
him
me
not do
hear,
it,
No,
me
so
hear man I talk
him
about them
not do
thing.
it,
Them. I
look
don't
a
rate
me
them.
man
hear
locked
more
in.
people talk
I
about
don't
them
rate
things.
them at all.
Someone want that.
No.
I don't rate them.
Me is a boy where sometimes, as bad as it sound, me, me not as good with like washing my hand and them things. After I fuck me wash my hand all the time still, but like overall. I feel like if you do them type of thing there, hand will take some extra washing. And I need to
Why
wash
you
one
tell me
different kind
say?
of way, you see me?
Why you tell me say how him do it? Him put him finger them or him one finger
It's
in
alright, I
a
don't want to know
condom.
how him do it. I don't
All
need to
right.
know that.
No, true you talk about the wash answer me I say the youth cause me love ask question you know. So the youth say him put him finger in a condom and then put it in a the girl bottom.
I lie,
Still
Matty.
weird.
I know, say. Him do that.
So not a reason, we a reason, no secret nothing.
You know.
That you not afraid. That you that suck pussy, eat ass,
Wow.
everything.
Damn.
Yeah.
Well,
Diabetes.
damn. Well,
My
damn.
boy like put all more I'm like put all my finger in a girl them mouth and some style to dog. Or if I put my finger in her body, then put it in her mouth and want to kiss her again after that. Me
Well,
Me
go
can't
on,
do
you
them
say
thing.
no.
Me a
Me
boy
love
love kissing her.
me kind of kinky, you know. So me love the little kinkiness them, you know. But there's certain things me not do. I
Yeah.
Certain things. I feel like
you see
them
if
take
a
it too
man,
far.
you see if a man has suck my pussy and him start to lick round which part of my ass there, it done.
Right.
If a man even
Feel
suck
like
my
can
pussy
go
for
take
too
one
long,
wicked turn.
if a man
Yeah, but
suck my pussy for too long,
I'm just there
Marvelous.
go
Forward
on.
up in our chat there.
if him suck my pussy for too long, it done.
Okay.
Mm.
Me? Well, you have no suck pussy I worry about with me. None at all. I rock good in a pussy.
Marvelous.
Hard.
Said those.
We don't
And
know
Me
about
wine.
the
nah
rockwood
boy
part.
now.
Huh?
I'm not try certain
We
things.
don't know about the rockwood part.
No, I don't mean about raw like that. I
We
mean to
try
say,
certain things, man. But make a man spit in my mouth already.
you like it?
Mm.
Me spit in
Girl,
your
let me
mouth.
spit in
Have a
your
Well,
vibe.
mouth. You know
No,
what
me I
it
forget for know your mouth before we reach this. So.
but my mouth not do certain things the other man mouth do.
is. Weird. Life has ended. Jaja. Yo, man, no one said that you had a like the little kinky something with them, you know. You know, she that. Think I eat that. Yeah, I should love the chop of them. Tell us I should love probably the chop of them one time. Mm-hmm. So the thing said, nobody now watch that them thing there again, bro, because it's make one time cartel is them cartel say the sex limit stop at 68, but yeah, so everybody run gone past 9, 69 and gone past the finish line and it's a bold thing. Bold thing. Clack on, pow, clack on, pow, bolt action. Clack on, pow. That are going right now. Is it? 3 o'clock in the morning, when them a walk up and down with them tall thing, me have them woman pa make head balling. Me no look for boy a night. Aye, we the people in a broad daylight. 6 months me walk with the ear light. I want do some boy when we not play fight. We a hearted, we strap up like a airplane flight. Aye, them boy they just start bad. You know long we blood clot bad. From school days and I'm days. Man, we sell blood clot crab. Things some of the people tell me must go wild. Me say put me in a must know God this teacher. You will put more mad them charge me for murder. Me go through the port more witness most of the things that are weird. Me goof cough with key. Goof cough with the 6 months alternative play because I know roll with key. Me get my rifle them from US of here. I call one alone him spray. You think me I just DJ? Ask what for people how me stay. Me murder people in a broad daylight. Tick hands me walk with cardi. Key light. I do some boy very now play fight. Let's chop up like a airplane flight. Yeah, people, yo, man, I tell you, treasure. You see how exciting like a 3 piece a minute, 3 minute piece of video is? Yo, Davianah, me, I tell you, badness up. It's a in the street girl, you know. You see me? And she got somebody beat me and everybody want love. Come on, me, yeah, come get your body massage up. Yeah. So, as strong as I see people and think they are, everybody need love. Love, love. You, love, love. Tell me how you do it. You, ah, ah. Careful how you choose it. Ah, ah. Listen to the message of the music. There's a reason I want red Chris girl. Let me make a one stop it for the ladies arm. Tell her. Let me get a regular. With my tune, no copyright and register. I'm saying, yeah, I'm a rebel star. Yeah, it's a rebel star, you see me? Yeah, man. But people not afraid for make the world know what them are do because at the end of the day everybody knows say 90% of the world right now. Well, we even say 90%. But you know, I know like one time we are just missionary style around the place, all type of thing with wild and versatile. I go on with it, you see me? Cause you hear what she says? She says she like when she get her little crotch lick. But she not like when them go too far. You see me? I want to tell you say, yo, some wild things reach me already, you know. With some, yo, I tell you some wild, very wild thing. I'm because a boom on that time and the girl level of the blood clot, what you call it? Circle Go Club. Better than that, let me tell you, one night I there one blood clot, 9 night with my virgin them. 9 night. It's a years ago. Zine, be alcohol in our system. The rum attack, I'ma tell you, shell shot, pushing you know, shoot my shin up. You get me I say? I'ma say, yo, when we left the 9 night, you know. No man, no the money, you know, cause about 10 hours trample the road that day, you know. And me alone at one point did have a little change in my pocket, you know. Most of the man them broke. Most of the man them come remember, you know, 9 night a free liquor drinking and thing, you know, so nobody no need the money for God them event day, you know. But good things to me did have money coming like the road and have no money, you know. So me go so boom to blow out north and stay so. And I left the 9 night with the dog them. And I trample the road, go back home. I chat, we are chatting on a bus and a taxi and a PFI. You know. Good journey, you know. Me I tell you, say, we fight up my lines road with we got the 9 night near China Yard, them, and the Rastaman China Smith. Big living legend, China Smith. You see? And we go so boom. And we live way down from the boulevard, like, doing the park side, you know, doing the park scheme, you know. I tell you, say, yo, we go so boom and left the 9 night. Every man I say, yo, them want some front light. Every man want a girl now, you know. Gotta run my talk, me I tell you, you know. I'ma say, yo, what we are gonna do? Man, them say New Kingston. So it was a boom. So man, I look money already now, you know, cause man realize that them broke and them now get no front without no money, you know. Good thing say me did have about $1,000. Or probably 2,000 or somewhere between 2,000 to nothing. See? So I go so boom man. I buy some little thing pan the way and share up my little money with one and two warriors same way. Make them get a little $100 or $200 out of what me did have. Buy some little peanut and some little some for you know what I mean? So I go so boom man. When we left from the top of my lines road near China Smith Yard with the 9 night kept. Was some zooms over half a tree, zooms in a New Kingston. Was some zooms around the girl them black them time like a long time, you know. See? I go so boom to blood north and me go get one Chinese girl, see? Get one Chinese looking one with our pretty color and Chinese type of straight hair and you see me? But the thing is, you know, the girl them know say me have the money, you know, because the man them not have no money and the girl them see like the man them a itch up around me and wave cars. The girl them read the play and say me have the money, and me and the gang have the money. Them don't know how much money I have, but the girl them get to understand say me have the money. So I get the pretty one where I sell the front. See me out there. Where look Chinese like to my style I confuse them. It's like a Chinese writing. I for telescope sight her. And she do the sight, she do the sighting, and the cobra bite her. And she do the biting. Yo, watch you know. So I go so boom to blood clot and walk away with the Chinese one, you know. Well, the rest of the girl them left, the rest of the girl them will sell out there, you know, the New Kingston section there with my dog them, you know. I see my dog them a wander off and some of them not no money and it's like them try them luck and them not see nothing not go on because them girl they defend the money, you know. Now me never really have no money for buy front, you know, because the girl them time they want 2 grand, 3 grand and upper grand, 5 grand like a grandstand things, eh? But me slick, I'm full of words and bag of shit but I can spit. So I end up go so boom and me I tell the girl them straight. Cause no man, hey, you see the truth. When you be truthful, youth. And you cannot tell lie no, but tell it like the truth. Or use the truth and add a little lie to spice up the truth. You know what I mean? So that is how we did it. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. Man, the girl them give up pussy like say it free. Anytime I touch around a New Kingston back in the days. Watch her go on now. So I go so. Zine walk over the Chinese one, you know. The Chinese one did have a little ear upon her chin. Like, you know what I mean? Cause the reason why me I telling her that now, cause man them try for man them try for give me expertise watch your one. So true. And me alone get for slap or something, you know. So I walk over the Chinese looking one, you know, with that tall ear and she have a little Chinese pin up one little you know, she catch up one part and pin it up and she have a little jacket with the shoulder part halfway thing there, you see me in her sexy jeans pants and carry it away. Left my dog them, see my dog them a wander off. That I last thing I see my dog them. You see me? I'm gonna say boom, I'm gonna tell the China girl, say what you know? You know, say 200 Jamaican dollars alone of JMD 200. Remember, I'm tell you say 2,000, you know, 2K and 3K and up to 5K and more these girls were looking for. However, I just be truthful and tell it with a little lie and tell it, say, yo, look, we just left a 9 night and I'm intoxicated and under the influence and have a buzz. I tell the daughter, see me and the daughter. I tell the daughter, say, I just $200 me have, but I need something before I can't go to my bed for sleep. And you know, say she agree for take the 2 bills, but here she do it. She take the 2 bills and then she tell me, say, no man, you must have something more in there. Come in, you must have something. And she a dig down my pocket and she a search and nothing else in my pocket. So she get the $200, you know, $200. Up to now, I still a do that style. If me for go out there, go look at girl and say, well, she say I sell for it. Time I just tell them say, no, say $200 me have, but right now we have no that. You wanna try it, I swear. Anybody will listen to this. Me I tell you say it guarantee for work, brother. Tell them like it is. Tell it like it is. That you are the night and the rum is talking. You know what I mean? Just tell them that. See your babes rum attack, babes are just 2 bills me having in my pocket. No say a 5 grand you want. Yo, you can do it all a back road. Try it a back road. Them back road girl they not take 2 bills still, nah, sir. Long time, yo, I'm not on them dirty life there again. Still, I'm not on them life there. I buy front there. You see me? But you don't know. We have done it before. We did keyless. We did keyless. You see me? Like the things them are peerless. Or beerless. Watch this now. I go so boom and slap with the girl, you know. See? Now here we go on now when I slap with the girl. And get for go home, go sleep. See? Here we go on now. Me go home, go sleep now and wake up good the following morning. Great. Them time them just start smoke cigarette. Cause I've been a weed man. But them time them just start smoke craving here. And them time they every morning want a craving here with a Pepsi. Somebody broke the morning, you know. But I end up they go check my mother, my old lady, and get some money for buy myself a Pepsi and like 2 craving. I'm gonna go out the road, go buy my things, and just feel nice. So one of my friends used to work in a parking lot at one of them Jamaican fast food place, Tasty. So I was outside at Tasty just burning or smoking away my cigarette with and drinking away at my Pepsi. And I see one of my brethren them who was with me the night who was in New Kingston, right? Now the morning hours, this was like probably 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. Cause you know I sleep well, I'm gonna get a long sleep and make sure I'm wake up and you know, fresh up and went out, get my cigarette. So this was like closely to the lunch hour, midday, noon hours. So When I saw my friend who was with me, one of them who was with me now, in New Kingston the night before, yo, he was in cast. He was plastered in cast and bandages, like hospital bandages. So, so the friend who I went to look for was working in the parking lot for the fast food Jamaican company here, Tasty. Right? He was dying from laughter because I was telling him that we were both in New Kingston the following night before. Right? So, so when I saw my friend approaching us with plaster and cast, I had to ask him what happened between last night when he was okay, right, to now with him plastered in cast and bandages, like, as if he was definitely coming from the hospital. Right? So when we asked him what had happened, he said that he was trying his luck with some woman who was supposed to sell front, but they were actually some gay guys. And when he realized, it was some gay guy who dressed as a woman with wig and all these things. So he said when he realized that it was a man, he had went crazy, started cursing, and you know, he was expressing anger, and he was, so he started to violate the person, cursing at them. And then he said the person, this guy who was in wig, um, called his or her friend, whatever the person was, So he said he then saw an army of them approaching him, right? And he tried to run, but this guy he's a big man because he was at the nine night. He had went with us to the nine night to mourn the death of someone we knew, and he came with us in the New Kingston area. He was beaten, he was robbed. They took his cell phone, took everything from him, and beat him, cut him up, broke him up. So this, so my friend was working in the parking lot, was laughing. I was laughing too, but I couldn't laugh that much. If you knew that guy who was plastered in bandages, you'd have to laugh because he's very miserable. He's naturally miserable. So when you see him in plaster and bandages and how he was carry on, you would laugh. So, it's a good thing they didn't grape him because these were like guys who had lived in the gully in New Kingston. Um, he had some conflict with them, serious conflict, my boy. They stole his phone. I don't think he had any money for them to steal because he was looking a free broke. I mean, and realized that it was a man, and yeah. Shout out to Philip, big up, big up. Yeah, judge alone, I tell that. Yeah, that's crazy. I'm gonna end it right there. But I got some crazy, crazy story, man. Crazy. Stick around, subscribe, like, comment, share, and you will definitely hear the rest of what we have to share. See?